I'm here with my best friend Megan. We're in the White Mountains. We're doing two really cool, not difficult, moderate, well, one's easy, one's moderate waterfall hikes today. We're doing Arethusa Falls, which is like a moderate hike. It's short, but there's some steep climbs and roots and rocks. And then we're doing Sabbaday Falls, which is easy. It's like right off the road. So I'm gonna show you those two waterfalls today. We're super excited. We're up here for like a week and a half, so. We just climbed up this. That's the stream down there. Straight up, wet rocks and roots. She's posing. So cute. It started raining. We were already kind of wet because it started raining while we were hiking. So, got my rain jacket on. This is the one I got from Amazon. So far it's not a winner, so don't know if I'm taking this on my next section hike, but we have about maybe 0.1, 0.2 miles till Arethusa Falls. It is steep, but short, about 750 feet, straight up rocks and roots, and it's wet today, so it was a little tricky, but otherwise easy, or moderate. But yeah, I'm super excited. Arethusa Falls is about 160 foot waterfall, and it's one of the top ones in the White Mountains, so really excited. And then, like I said, we're checking out Sabbaday Falls after, so that one will be cool. Like I said, we're here for about 10 days. We've been here for about 4 or 5 days so far. And it's been raining pretty much the whole time. Tomorrow it's supposed to be sunny, so we're doing a hike in Franconia Notch State Park. But otherwise it's been raining, so we just decided to suck it up and get out in the rain. So. Oh my God. This is incredible. All right, now we're at Sabbaday Falls. Super quick, 0.3 off the road. We're literally gonna run it basically. I hate running, but we're running. We're gonna do it real quick. It's super easy, 0.3 miles to get there. So we may as well just run to get there. Bench. As you can see, super flat, easily accessible trail. Right off the road. You could probably bring a stroller up here, walk some doggos, and run it to get it done like me and Megan. All right, let's go. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. Okay, this kind of was one. cool. The geology of Sabbaday Falls, and then this one is also the geology. This is incredible. This is worth it. It's so close to the road, you may as well stop here if you're in the White Mountains. Wow.